On this video, I want to show you how to um, access the area where you can redirect. Um, you can redirect where your clients go to after they sign a document. So let me actually grab just a random link. So follow me here. All right. Okay. Because you need to make sure you have a link ready to be able to even do this. So I'm going to go to payments. This is where we get to our documents. And then I'm going to go to hover over documents and contracts. I'm going to click on templates. And then I'm going to pick on a template that we've already created, of course. We're going to open that up. Okay. So you can do it like this, and if you create one from scratch, you still go the same route, um, except for you wouldn't have to click on the actual button to open it. You should already have it open because you're uploading it at that point, and this should just pop up for you. Anywho, let's click on the Add Element button on the left hand upper hand side of the page. Actually, I'm sorry. We're going to click on the gear for settings. So if you scroll down, this right here. If you see where my cursor is, if you turn this on, this enables you to redirect. Um, this allows you to redirect the client or the customer to a different page after they sign the agreement or whatever document that you are sending them. Um, this is where you would put in the custom URL. So let's say if I put this in here like this. All right. If you want it to open into an existing tab, you will click on this radio button. If you want it to open in a new tab, you will click this one. Okay. So I'm going to leave it in the existing tab, and we're going to leave that just like that. So I want to hit save here in the upper right hand corner. All right. Now, the quickest way for us to do this is to publish it. So you can also do use template. It does the exact same thing where you are sending it out to somebody specific. Um, Most people are doing it that way, so let's do use template. Okay, so I'm going to send this to myself so that way you can see how this works. So I'll do a set signing order. No, I'm going to turn that off. So let's send it to let's see if you don't see it, contact, we'll just type one in. Okay. All right, sent that there, and then I'm going to hit send document. And so this is not a real email address, but we're going to make this work. And then we're going to do send. All right. So this is how this would work. Um, let's go to, I'm going to open up the document. So I'm going to pause this really quick so that way you can see this populate. All right. So I'm going to open up my email here. You can't see this right now, but I want to be able to get to the um, email that was sent to me. So let's get there. I'm gonna open that email up. Let you guys follow me a little bit. Okay. All right. So we got the document populating here. I'm going to sign it. Oh yeah, this one wasn't set up, but we're going to hit finish. And now this is the redirect. So now it's taking us to the link that we put in there. And there you go. After they hit finish, this is the redirect, and it'll redirect them to the link that you sent them to. So that's how you add a redirect to a specific document that you've sent out for your clients, for your customers, either viewers and sign.